आज का हमारा टॉपिक है वीनस ड्रेनेज ऑफ लोअर लिम्ब। इसे हम 2 वीडियोज़ में पढ़ने वाले हैं। इन दिस फर्स्ट वीडियो वी विल टॉक अबाउट द जनरल इंट्रोडक्शन। इन द सेकेंड वीडियो वी विल टॉक अबाउट द ग्रेट एंड शॉर्ट सेफेनस वेन इन डिटेल। एंड थर्ड वीडियो में हम क्लिनिकल देखेंगे। अभी लोअर लिम्ब में इस टॉपिक का इंपॉर्टेंस क्यों है? बिकॉज इन द लोअर लिम्ब वी हैव टू पुश द ब्लड अपवर्ड्स अगेंस्ट द ग्रेविटी. It is aided by a number of local factors and some general factors also. Failure of these can give rise to varicose veins. Now, what are the factors that help the venous return? In general factors, we have 4 factors. In the local factors, we have 3. First of all, the negative intrathoracic pressure. So, whenever the thorax increases in size, the intrathoracic veins also dilate, and this creates a suction which pulls the blood upwards. Second, arterial pressure and overflow from capillary bed. Third, compression of veins accompanying arteries by arterial pulsation. So, अगर कोई वेन हमारी आर्टरी के एकदम पैरेलल ट्रैवल कर रही है, then the arterial pulsation can be mechanically transferred to the veins, and this force can help the vein to push the blood upwards. So, इसमें हमें pulsation का ट्रांसफर पढ़ना है from the arteries to the veins. And this pulsation का force is used to push the blood upwards. Fourth, the presence of valves which support and divide the long column of blood into shorter columns. So अगर कोई long column of blood है, then it is divided into many shorter columns using the valves. The valves also maintain a unidirectional flow. Now local factors में we have 3. First, the venous factor. The veins of lower limb are more muscular. So अगर हमारी veins ज़्यादा muscular है, it means smooth muscle का content उसमें अच्छा है, and because of this, whenever the smooth muscles will contract or relax, the blood will be pushed forwards. The veins of lower limb have greater number of valves which support and divide the long column of blood into shorter columns, and there are some perforators which connect the superficial veins with the deep veins. So superficial veins से blood deep veins में transfer होता है using the perforators. In the muscular component, we usually talk about the calf pump. Calf pump में क्या होगा? So whenever the calf muscles contract, then the blood filled in their large sinuses is pushed upwards through the deep veins, and whenever the calf muscles relax, then superficial veins से the venous sinuses are refilled. This is also helped by the suction action in the diaphragm. The facial component. The tight sleeve of deep fascia makes muscular compression of the veins, which is much more effective by limiting outward bulging of the muscles. Now, veins in lower limb are categorized into 3 types: the superficial, deep and perforating veins. Now, superficial veins में we have 2 veins, the great saphenous and the short saphenous, and their tributaries. Now, superficial veins की बात करें, then they lie in the superficial fascia on the surface of deep fascia. So, अगर हमारे पास ये deep fascia है, then the superficial veins travel above the deep fascia. They are thick walled. क्यों thick होंगे? Because they have smooth muscle and some fibrous elastic tissues. The valves are numerous in the distal part. So, अगर ये हमारा leg है, then there will be more number of valves in the distal part than the proximal part. Now, large proportion of their blood through perforators is drained into deep vein. So superficial veins से perforators take the blood and drop it into the deep veins. Now superficial veins में हमने देखा we have great saphenous vein and the short saphenous vein. अभी deep veins में हम examples देखेंगे. So deep veins में in the foot we have medial plantar, we have lateral plantar and dorsalis pedis. In the leg we have anterior tibial, posterior tibial and peroneal. Peroneal को ही हम fibular vein भी कहते हैं. In the knee, we have popliteal vein, and in the thigh, we have femoral vein. Dorsalis pedis को English में we call, dorsalis pedis को हम English में कहते हैं the dorsal vein of the foot. So dorsalis से dorsal, pedis से foot. Popliteal का meaning ही knee होता है. So in the knee, we will have popliteal vein only. अभी इन सारे veins को हम diagram में देखने वाले हैं. So foot के हम ventral side को देखेंगे, then we find the lateral plantar and the medial plantar. फुट के डोर्सल साइड को देखेंगे, देन वी फाइंड द डोर्सल वेन ऑफ द लेग, द डोर्सालिस पेडिस. नाउ यहाँ पे हमें 3 लेग वेन्स दिखेंगे, एंटीरियर टीबियल, पेरोनियल जिसको हम फिबुलर वेन भी बोलते हैं, एंड द पोस्टीरियर टीबियल. यहाँ पे थाई के डायग्राम में वी हैव पॉप्लिटियल वेन इन द नी, वी हैव फिमोरल वेन इन द थाई, ग्रेट सेफेनस वेन सुपरफिशियल वेन हो गई. नाउ वेल्व्स आर मोर न्यूमरस इन द डीप वेन्स देन इन द सुपरफिशियल वेन्स, बिकॉज डीप वेन्स आर मोर एफिशिएंट चैनल्स देन सुपरफिशियल वेन्स. because of the driving force of muscular contraction. In the deep veins, whenever the muscles contract, then the blood is pushed forwards. Deep veins को support करने के लिए we have deep fascia also, which limits the outward bulging of the muscles. Superficial veins में we saw that valves are more numerous in the distal side as compared to the proximal side. Now perforating veins क्या है? So these connect the superficial veins with the deep veins. Their valves permit only one-way flow of blood from superficial to deep. So deep से superficial is not possible, only superficial to deep. In total, we have 5 perforators along the great saphenous vein and 1 perforator along the short saphenous vein.